On February 15, 2026, a truck accident occurred just after 6:15 p.m. on North Polk Street in Dallas, Texas. Authorities say two women, ages 41 and 51, were in a westbound Cadillac SRX on 10th Street when the vehicle entered the Polk Street intersection against a red light. The Cadillac then collided with a southbound Hino truck driven by a 30-year-old man. The 51-year-old passenger suffered serious injuries, while the 41-year-old had minor injuries. The truck driver was not hurt. The investigation is ongoing.